Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off sounds. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select sounds, tap on sound, then go down. So here we can see dial pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds. So if you want to disable all these sounds, right, we can disable here. For example, uh, dial pad tones, let me disable it. Screen locking sound, let me disable. Charging sounds and vibration, I am going to disable. Then touch sounds, let me disable. So this way we can control all sounds here. We can enable or disable sounds. Okay, so please try this. Let me enable all this. So this way we can turn off sounds